Okay. Phytogeographically, the word vegetation has been divided, and I told you that the important system of classification, the phytogeography of the word is given by Jan in 1986, the very famous book of the Jan about the vegetation types of the word, classification of the word. Keeping in view their classification, in Pakistan, the vegetation has been classified on the basis of geography. And this classification is basically based on the flora of Pakistan, the already published flora of Pakistan. Nearly 120 or 121 fascicles of families have been published. And this data, which is given in the phytogeographic region, has been squeezed and collected from the published families of flora of Pakistan. And a comprehensive review of the flora of Pakistan has been given in a paper published by Dr. Kaisar and Dr. Ali, which I have already shared with you. This is a published paper on the phytogeography of the Pakistan, and this here is given in this paper published by Dr. Kaisar and Dr. Ali. I told you in the last lecture that basically the phytogeographic region of the Pakistan, there are four major phytogeographic regions. One is Irano-Turanian element, the region. The second is Sino-Japanese element or region. Third is Abyssinian element, also called as regions. And fourth one is Indian element. And when you see the percentage in the flora of Pakistan, here you see that major flora of Pakistan phytogeographically belongs to this first region, which is the Irano-Turanian region. Okay? Irano-Turanian region. And major part of the Balochistan is covered in this Irano-Turanian region in Pakistan. If you see the word-wise, where in the world you see this region, Irano-Turanian region, Iran, as the name indicates, Iran is covered in this region, and some other parts of the Pakistan, some areas of the northern Pakistan also covered in this Irano-Turanian region. The species diversity of this Irano-Turanian element, there are typical species which are found in this region. Every phytogeographic region has some typical species of the plants, which are actually the indicator species of their particular phytogeographic region. The Irano-Turanian element has some of the typical species. If you want to write, you can write, otherwise you can get photostat. Some species of tamarix are found in this Irano-Turanian region. Tamaricaceae family. And similarly, Salix excelsa, you can get photocopy of this. ठीक है, अभी आप इसको सिर्फ सुने और समझें, बाद में आप खैर अगर आप उधर लगे तो समझिए और टाइम इज लिमिटेड. Salix excelsa family Salicaceae, Artemisia. Similarly, Astragalus species, Calutia, Berkemia pakistanica. This is one of the endemic species which is found in this Irano-Turanian region. So there are some species which are the indicator species. Indicator means those species are only found in this particular region. Every phytogeographic region has some indicator species. So this element has these, I mentioned, these species are only distributed in this Irano-Turanian region. The second important region is Sino-Japanese region. Sino-Japanese region, summers are moderate. This is the climate. The region here, Hazara, we are sitting. Hazara University is also located in this region. Summers are moderate, winters are extreme. In Himalaya, the Himalayan region is the Sino-Japanese region, the Kagan, Naran, Murray, and extending the Siran Valley. This whole area of Pakistan is covered in this Sino-Japanese region. Needham Valley of Hazara Kashmir. So summers are moderate, winters are extreme, and there is high precipitation because there are monsoon rains, and in the winter there is snowfall. Both are precipitation. So precipitation is high. Himalayas of Pakistan, the regions, Himalayan regions, the Kagan Valley, the Siran Valley, the Needham Valley, all are covered, and 10.6% flora belongs to this region, phytogeographic region, Sino-Japanese region. Some of the indicator species of this region, you already know Buxus beliciana, which is a genus, family Buxaceae. Sarcococcus ligna and Buxus, both are belonging to Buxus beliciana and Sarcococca saligna. Common species in the Galia and the Murray. You can correctly see both are belonging to family Buxaceae. These are the species, the indicator species of the Sino-Japanese element. Similarly, some of the genus palms you see, Pinus galiciana, and similarly Aedes spindro, and some of the broadleaf associates are found in this region, like Primula denticulata. Primula denticulata. In the last lecture, we discussed the climate and geography of Pakistan, and I told you that the distribution of the plant, which is also called as the phytogeography, is directly related with the climate and geography of the country. Geographically, Pakistan has a very diverse situation because on one side at Karachi, it is at 0 degree altitude, while on the other side in the northern area, you know that we have some of the highest peaks of the world, like Ketu and Nanga Parbat. You already know the height of those mountains. The second highest peak of the world is also in Pakistan. As there is diversity in the phytogeography, in the same way there is diversity in the biodiversity and distribution of the plants in Pakistan. Because you know when the geography varies, the climate varies, the precipitation, the rainfall, the humidity, the temperature, all these are ecological.